Greetings and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of Goddess Astarte, renowned as ancient Mesopotamia, goddess of love, fertility, and war. Part 1. Significance of Goddess Astarte. What does Astarte represent in mythology? Goddess Astarte holds great significance in ancient mythology as a powerful and multifaceted deity. Astarte's influence transcends cultures and civilizations, captivating the hearts and minds of worshippers throughout the ancient Near East. As the goddess of love, she embodies the passionate and transformative nature of romantic and sexual relationships. Astarte also symbolizes fertility and the nurturing aspects of the divine feminine, bringing blessings of abundance and growth. She also holds a fierce and protective aspect, representing the warrior spirit and embodying the strength needed to face challenges and protect one's desires. Astarte's significance lies in her ability to encompass the various facets of human existence, reminding us of the power and depth within ourselves as we navigate the realms of love, creation, and personal empowerment. Part 2. Archetypal qualities of Astarte. Radiant Empress, exploring the archetypal qualities of Goddess Astarte. Goddess Astarte encompasses a multitude of archetypal qualities that have captivated the human imagination across civilizations. She embodies the essence of love and sensuality, igniting passion and desire within hearts. Astarte represents the divine feminine, exuding a captivating allure that celebrates the beauty and power of womanhood. As the goddess of fertility, she symbolizes the abundance and life-giving forces of the natural world. Astarte also carries a warrior spirit, embodying strength, courage, and protection. Her energy invites us to embrace our desires, express our sensuality, and embody love in its many forms. Through her archetypal presence, Astarte empowers us to honor our passions, embrace our authentic selves, and manifest our dreams. Part 3. Symbols associated with Goddess Astarte. Shades of devotion, understanding the significance of colors in Astarte's realm. Goddess Astarte is associated with a rich array of symbols, colors, plants, and animals that embody her essence and significance. The dove, symbolizing peace and love, is closely tied to Astarte, representing her gentle and nurturing qualities. The lion, with its majestic strength and fierce nature, represents her protective and assertive aspects. Astarte is often depicted with wings, signifying her divine presence and transcendence. In terms of colors, soft shades of pink and pastels evoke her association with love and femininity, while vibrant red symbolizes passion and vitality. Plants like the rose, myrtle, and pomegranate are linked to Astarte, representing beauty, fertility, and abundance. These plants often feature rituals and offerings dedicated to her. Part 4. The story of Goddess Astarte. Compassionate illumination, Astarte's healing influence on hearts. In the realm of the heavens, where gods and goddesses reigned supreme, there was a luminescent goddess named Astarte. She was the embodiment of love and desire, a beacon of passion that ignited hearts with an all-encompassing flame. Astarte possessed a celestial beauty that surpassed all mortal comprehension, with cascading golden locks that shimmered like the sun's rays and eyes that sparkled like the evening stars. Yet, Astarte's true power lay not just in her physical allure, but in the depth of her compassion and understanding. She had the unique ability to see into the souls of beings, uncovering their deepest desires and untapped potential. Whenever a heart was burdened with pain or lost in the darkness of despair, Astarte would descend from the heavens, her radiant presence illuminating the path to healing and transformation. One fateful day, a young artist named Sophia found herself caught in the clutches of a creative drought. Her once vibrant and inspired mind had become dull and listless, leaving her unable to express her innermost thoughts and emotions through her artwork. Desperate for a spark of inspiration, Sophia prayed to the goddess Astarte, beseeching her for guidance and the return of her artistic fire. Moved by Sophia's heartfelt plea, Astarte appeared before her in a vision, her luminous figure radiating with a warm and nurturing light. "Fear not, dear child," Astarte whispered, her voice like a gentle breeze. "Within you lies an ocean of creativity waiting to be awakened. Trust in your own unique gifts and embrace the power of love in every stroke of your brush." With those words, Astarte bestowed upon Sophia a golden pendant adorned with a single crimson gem, a token of her divine inspiration. From that moment on, Sophia's artistic journey transformed. As she painted, she could feel Astarte's energy flowing through her, infusing her creations with a vibrant vitality and depth of emotion. Her artwork became a manifestation of love and passion, capturing the essence of human experience and inspiring all who beheld it. Word of Sophia's extraordinary talent spread far and wide, drawing the attention of art enthusiasts and critics from across the realm. Galleries clamored to showcase her masterpieces, each canvas a testament to the transformative power of love and the divine touch of Astarte. Through her art, Sophia became a vessel for Astarte's message of passion, compassion, and the boundless capacity of the human heart. And so, the story of Sophia and Astarte became a tale of artistic rejuvenation and creative enlightenment. Astarte's divine inspiration, channeled through the heart and brush of the gifted artist, touched the souls of countless individuals, reminding them of the profound beauty and power that resides within each of us. Part 5. 3 Strategies for Personal Transformation, tapping into the power of the Astarte archetype. Strategy 1. Embrace sensory exploration. Astarte, as the goddess of sensuality, invites us to engage our senses fully for personal transformation. Ancient Mesopotamian cultures celebrated sensory experiences, and modern neuroscience confirms the power of sensory stimulation on brain plasticity. Engage in activities that awaken and delight your senses, such as indulging in aromatherapy, savoring delicious and exotic flavors, listening to captivating music, or immersing yourself in nature's beauty. By activating and enriching your sensory experiences, you stimulate neural pathways, promoting brain flexibility and personal growth. Strategy 2. Cultivating emotional intelligence. Astarte's association with love and passion extends to emotional intelligence, which is essential for personal growth. Ancient Mesopotamian cultures recognized the importance of emotional awareness and regulation. Practice emotional self-awareness by identifying and acknowledging your emotions without judgment. Develop emotional regulation skills through techniques like deep breathing or mindfulness meditation. Strategy 3. Embodying self-expression and authenticity. Ancient Mesopotamian culture recognized the importance of personal identity and self-expression. Explore and express your passions, talents, and authentic self through creative outlets such as art, writing, or dancing. Engage in rituals or practices that encourage self-reflection and self-discovery, allowing you to connect with your true essence. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual steps. Prepare a sacred space where you can connect with the energy of Goddess Astarte. Create an altar adorned with symbols of love, passion, and beauty, such as flowers, seashells, and candles. Begin by centering yourself through deep breathing, grounding your energy, and focusing your intention on honoring and invoking the essence of Goddess Astarte. Light a fragrant incense, such as rose or jasmine, and allow its aroma to fill the space. Play soft, melodic music that stirs emotions and evokes a sense of beauty. Surround yourself with flowers or petals and gently touch their softness. Savor a taste of something sweet or indulgent, symbolizing the sweetness of love. Hold a small mirror or a reflective surface in your hands, symbolizing self-reflection and self-love. Look into the mirror and affirm your worth and inner beauty. Speak aloud positive affirmations that resonate with you, such as, I am worthy of love and joy. I embrace my authentic self, radiating beauty from within. I honor the divine spark within me and celebrate my uniqueness. With the guidance of Astarte, I embrace love's transformative power, allowing it to nourish and empower me on my journey of personal growth. Take a moment to bask in the self-love and acceptance you have affirmed. Embrace any emotions that arise, allowing them to be present and releasing any self-judgment or negativity. Prepare a small offering to express your gratitude to Astarte for her presence and guidance. It could be a simple gift such as a flower, a piece of jewelry, or a heartfelt written note. Place the offering on the altar as a token of your appreciation and acknowledgement. A final message. Words of wisdom from Astarte. Shine brightly, for the world awaits your radiant presence. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.